In this video, I'm going to show you how you can display the internet speed meter on your taskbar. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. We can easily get to monitor and see the internet speed we are using when we right click on the taskbar and click on manager. And from here, when we click on performance, you'll see the internet speed that you are using in real time. For instance, I'm using an Ethernet. This is the display of the internet speed as I am using it in real time. And when you click on it, you will see the graph. However, there is no way we can pin this information to the taskbar so that you can see it or you can view it anytime. Now to do that, we are going to use a tool from Microsoft Store. So go ahead and open your Microsoft Store and create an account or log in if you already have an account. Now from here, go ahead and search for net speed meter. So net speed meter is one of the utility tools in Microsoft Store. Now when you click on it, you'll see it here. It is from 0 byte. So to download, just go and click on get it. Then it should download your app within seconds. And it is downloaded and here it is installing. So it is done. Now once it's done, go ahead and open it. Now here it is. So it is displaying the real-time data that my computer is using. But remember, our end goal is to pin it to taskbar. So to add it to this taskbar so that you can see it anytime when you are working on your projects, what you need just to do is to right click on it and then select the option keep in task. And here we go. Here it is. So we have pinned this program on the taskbar. Now feel free to move it around and place it where you are comfortable on the taskbar, and that will help you to monitor your internet speed or your Ethernet speed in real time. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.